Good afternoon. My name is Kevin Davidson. I'm the acting United States Attorney for the Middle District of Alabama. I'm joined today by leadership of FBI, DEA, HSI, ICE, Alabama Department of Corrections, and the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency to discuss a law enforcement operation which occurred today in several counties in Alabama. This morning, federal agents, supported by state and local officers, executed federal search warrants at 14 locations in Lee, Macon, Elmore, Autauga, Crenshaw, and Baldwin counties. Now, because the affidavits related to those search warrants are still sealed, I cannot speak to the specific facts which led to the issuance of those search warrants. But I can tell you that they are related to a long-term investigation which has accompanied with the search warrants a federal indictment against Cesar Campos Reyes. Now, Mr. Campos Reyes is not in custody and is considered a fugitive. The indictment charges him with 4 counts of bank fraud, 4 counts of wire fraud, and money laundering. The charges stem from Paycheck Protection Program loans that Campos Reyes received on behalf of some of his restaurants. Those restaurants were included in the locations which were searched today. Mr. Campos Reyes is alleged to have falsely certified that the money he received as part of the loans would be used for legitimate expenses, and instead he used the funds for non-legitimate purposes. During the search warrant, the execution of the search warrants today, law enforcement recovered distribution amounts of methamphetamine, powder cocaine, crack cocaine, assorted pills, more than $100,000 of bulk cash, and at least 20 guns. In addition to Mr. Campos Reyes, 3 other individuals have been taken into federal custody. 2, the government is seeking a federal complaint to charge with harboring of illegal aliens, and a 3rd, the government is seeking a federal complaint to charge with unlawful distribution of a controlled substance. Now, during the execution of those 14 search warrants today, agents encountered more than 40 persons illegally in the country. Those persons have been detained pending deportation proceedings. Now, as you can see, this investigation is wide-ranging to include white-collar crimes, drug crimes, gun crimes, harboring of illegal aliens, among other crimes. It involves searches and investigation which is still ongoing. At this time, I'll now turn the press conference over to FBI Mobile Special Agent in Charge, Sarah Jones.
Good afternoon. Today's operation is a culmination of a tremendous amount of collaboration between the state, local, and federal levels of law enforcement. The investigation is layered in criminality to include financial fraud, narcotics, weapons, and harboring of illegal alien charges and components. Today is also a reflection of the Gulf of America Homeland Security Task Force's commitment to keeping our communities safe. As you'll be hearing, we encountered nearly 50 illegal aliens throughout the course of today's operation. Anyone who has information about the whereabouts of Cesar Campos Reyes is asked to contact the FBI Mobile Field Office at 251-438-3674. If you encounter Campos Reyes, do not approach. Please contact the FBI or local law enforcement. Thank you.
Next up will be HSI Atlanta Special Agent in Charge, Stephen Shrink.
Good afternoon. Today's multi-agency operation across Alabama is the result of years-long coordinated investigative work aimed at addressing serious threats to public safety and the rule of law. Homeland Security investigations alongside our federal, state, and local partners, all under the umbrella of the Gulf of America Homeland Security Task Force in Alabama, executed multiple federal search warrants as part of this ongoing criminal investigation into a network of suspected drug trafficking, human smuggling, document fraud, and other financial crimes. This is allegedly a transnational organized entity that has committed this activity. And this operation was not about any one offense. It was about dismantling a criminal ecosystem, one that profits from the exploitation of people and the circumvention of our nation's laws. In many of the locations we investigated, we uncovered not only unlawful, unauthorized employment of aliens, but evidence that may point to a broader pattern of criminal conduct. That includes narcotics distribution, as we saw from today's seizures, fraudulent documents that may have been used as part of the employment, and indicators of potential human smuggling. These types of criminal activities are deeply interconnected. Criminal organizations don't just traffic drugs or people. They engage in fraud, money laundering, and labor exploitation at times. Those crimes don't just hurt the individuals involved, but they harm communities. They undercut legitimate businesses, and they strain public resources. The hiring of individuals that are not authorized to work in the United States may seem like a labor issue to some. Let's be clear, it's a public safety issue. When employers knowingly hire illegal aliens, they create a magnet for exploitation, wage theft, and unsafe conditions. They also sidestep labor laws designed to protect workers and dissuade honest employers. This creates an underground economy that is often tied to organized activity that puts communities at risk. We saw that today as many of the illegal aliens that have been arrested and now are in our custody also have extensive criminal histories from their time in the United States. HSI's mandate is not just about immigration enforcement. It's about protecting the public from a full range of threats posed by transnational criminal networks. Operations like today's are a reminder that we, along with our partners in the Gulf of America Homeland Security Task Force, will utilize every available tool to dismantle these threats. We remain committed to working with law enforcement partners to hold criminals accountable, protect vulnerable populations, safeguard the integrity of our labor market and national security. The message is simple. If you exploit people, break the laws, or profit from illegal activity, you will be held accountable. Thank you.
In addition to the agencies already named that are here today, I have to give credit to the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, United States Marshal Service, Auburn Police Department, and numerous other state and local agencies. Today is a great day for law enforcement because it's just a shining example of what we can accomplish when federal, state, and local agencies partner together with a common objective, which is enforcing federal law and making our communities safer. With that, welcome to take any questions you may have.
Where's this gentleman from? Auburn, Alabama?
My understanding is that he is a Lee County resident.
And what restaurants did he own?
I'm not able to give you a list at this time. As with a lot of this investigation, I expect in the coming days, as there are court hearings and court documents related to the search warrants, which may become unsealed, should shed a lot of light on that sort of information. So at this moment, I can't answer that.